Okay, by the way, I'm Engineer Darlito Palermo, an orthopedically handicapped, in charge of the training program of the Persons with Disability Computer Training Center in Davao City, which we catered hearing, visual, and orthopedically handicapped for this training program. And as a beneficiary of Tech Ready employment opportunity, this is a suited employment opportunity for our sector for persons with disability in particular, because of through computers they can earn, they can generate employment through computers. Hindi mahirap sa kanila to engage in training program, at hindi mahirap sa kanila to engage in employment opportunity, kasi this kind of employment opportunity for them is madali lang, kasi they go into an internet operation, then they go into search engine optimization. Ang maganda dito is ang persons with disability is hindi sila mahihirapan in terms sa employment opportunity, because hindi na sila kailangan pumunta pa sa isang establishment para ma-employ. Ang mangyayari na lang is upo lang sila sa computer, then they use a computer as a tool para sa employment opportunity. And then yung income na naman makuha ng mga persons with disability, hindi naman ganoon kalaki, hindi rin ganoon kababa. It's sufficient enough na nasa ano siya, average income yung makukuha ng persons with disability. At saka ang maganda doon is hindi na sila kailangan pang ng transportation to go into a establishment para magtrabaho. Home base lang or dito lang sa training center, dito sila nag-work or nag-employed for them to uplift their economic condition, which is through this Tech Ready and our sector partnership. Masasabi namin yung assistance or yung employment opportunity na nakukuha ng sektor is very effective siya, kasi talagang they can work competitively, and they can earn as much as they want, kasi kung mabili sila, malaki yung income na makukuha. At saka yung talagang hindi pa ganun kagaling, they can also earn, because the Tech Ready also provide the training. Then the opportunity of employment is this is a very big opportunity for persons with disability, kasi hindi sila mahihirapan to engage this kind of training program at also employment, kasi after the training automatically the employment will come out. At saka in terms of training, hindi naman ganoon kahirap, kasi yung mga persons with disability natin is trained already for the computer. And also sa employment opportunity, nandito naman yung Tech Ready, at saka nandito rin yung sector ng persons with disability working hand in hand to compete and also to generate employment. At saka yung mga persons with disability natin is magiging effective talaga in terms of generating employment, because of hindi sila mahihirapan. What they need is only a computer and internet connection, and then through training and through employment, mas madali sa kanila to engage with. And this opportunity and the training program is we are really very happy that nangyari ito sa sektor through the effort of our partners agency, the Department of Labor and Employment, through our director Halil De La Torre. We are really thankful for this your support and the support of the Department of Labor and Employment to increase the numbers of unemployed persons with disability through this kind of employment opportunity and training program opportunity, which can help the economic status of our sector na ma-uplift, tsaka matugunan yung unemployment problem ng sector. Through this kind of set up of this employment opportunity, talagang mabigyan natin ng employment ang mga kapatid nating may kapansanan. And that's all. Thank you very much.